Yes, you are most welcome to watch my video. This is week number 20. By the grace of God, we have been able to attain 5 months of workout. And this week we started with running on the treadmill and cycling. And then some days we just did our physical exercises in the house. And if you go back to my previous videos, you will be able to learn the names of all these exercises. I have already explained there, and what I decided to do is to create my routine, because I know of many different people helping us with workout, but I am comfortable doing something that I can always look forward to every time I want to do physical exercises in the house, something that I have already familiarized myself with. And you can tell this is something that I love doing because it's already in my system, So all these exercises, parts of exercises, have names. And yes, there is planks, there is bear crawl, there are push-ups, there are press-ups, there are so many types of exercises. And there is also leg lacing, which has really helped me with my back. Like when I want to do something for my back, I like leg raising because it enables me to do even planks. So, when my back is okay, I can do many things, many other kinds of exercises. And yeah, so this video we are not mentioning names. Yes, you can see me cycling there. And I started by saying that we cycled. Actually, I went to the gym and I did cycling, and now I am desiring to do a real bicycle, like to cycle a real bicycle. You can tell I have one in the house. Yeah, and one of these days I think I will try to do cycling, and so because I come from a place where, or I live in a place where cycling is the thing. You can go to work, you can go to school, you meet so many people on the road doing bicycle real bicycle cycling. And the roads are good, they have places that they have made where people can cycle. So anyway, it's not a problem. So I am now deciding to stop posting these videos because I believe all the people that have watched me, I hope and I believe that you have been watching, and I believe that you have been following and you have actually been doing, and now you can start your own routine. You can, I think 5 months is a good time for me to teach you different kinds of physical exercises, physical therapist exercises. And I am feeling like if I will be posting, probably I'll be posting one video in a month. So I would have wished to celebrate 6 months, but I think the next time I'll be posting, it will be one video for a whole month. So that is what I am deciding to do. So this one, I watched a lady in YouTube, and she was calling herself Fabulous 50 YouTube, and basically it is just walking exercises. That's what she named them. But you can tell you are involving your hands, you are involving your legs, you are involving your body. So we started very small, but I can tell you these exercises were very engaging. And I realized she's doing them for like 30 minutes, and that was a long, you know because you involve every part of your body, and she calls them walking exercises. It's just the way you can decide to walk, but you can see the hands are involved, the legs are involved, of course, doing different kinds of, exercises, rotations, different kinds of rhythms. She didn't even have even one name of any of these exercises. She just called them walking exercises. And as you can tell, I think she's over 50 because she calls that over 50 exercises actually for women. And so, yeah, she's called Fabulous 50. You can go to YouTube and you can see all these exercises. Actually, this was my first time to follow her and to try and do whatever she was doing. So yeah, basically this was just swinging your hands side by side and putting your legs apart. But I think the most important part for her, it was the legs. She was not so much concerned about the hands. Okay, so that's why I am doing it, halfway. Yeah, because I realized, that was the only way I could show you what is happening. And so, see, she is calling these exercises walking exercises. So far, can you just comment there whether this is walking exercises or actually this is like full body exercises? Just comment down below. And if any of my videos have helped me, I would love to know how it has helped you. Have you learned something new? Have you become motivated? You know, because I do this for myself, of course, for my accountability, and I also want to help someone. But sometimes when you get few views, you wonder, are you communicating or not? So sometimes this YouTube journey is a tough journey. Sometimes you even feel so much discouraged and you say you will not post even a video, especially when you find there are no people who are watching, and even if they are very few. By the way, I want to thank everybody who has been watching me, and I am so, so grateful to God because I know my own family has been supporting me. And I also know I have other family in the name of friends who have really, really, really supported me. And I am so grateful. As you can see, I cycled in the gym and I ran in the treadmill as well. But yeah, so the Lord bless you. Thank you so much. Yeah, bye bye. Sorry guys, I have decided to add this one. I had forgotten this one. So this one is the actually the end of the week, the one actually I did today. And I found that my legs have become very, very flexible, and I am so grateful because even the pain that I had before, that pain has really, really reduced. I can go down easily, I can stand up easily. So I am so much thankful to God, and I pray that I will be able to continue. Sometimes I post for motivation purposes. So I pray if I will not be posting, I pray that I will be able to be doing those exercises faithfully, like every week. And yeah, it's a journey. It's a hard, decision to make. But once you start, you don't want to end. You want to make it a habit. So this is one of the exercises that is the very, the hardest of all, because when I started I couldn't do any of that. Even one time, like going up and down, I couldn't do it, but now I find myself doing it, and I am so thankful, so, so thankful to God for helping me and allowing me to do that. My legs can even go a little bit higher and without pain. That's the most amazing thing. Celebrating 5 months without pain is beautiful. It's amazing. So I am grateful to God. And actually yesterday I noticed over the area of my down below my knee. It was like when I touch it, I could even feel the pain. But today, when I touch it, yesterday when I touched it, and today, there is no pain. And I have not taken any painkiller. So, these exercises have really helped me, and I want you to start them if you have not started them, and make them a daily routine. If not daily, you can make sure you do them every other day. At least every week, you keep aside 3 days for your exercises, and you would be good to go. Because you can imagine you eat food, and that food stays there. The blood does not flow if you do not walk. For those people who walk, walking, going to work, or walking long distances, I think you are good to go. But I also feel like you need to have some time for your exercises. Press ups, push ups, planks, all those, they are very good for different parts of your body. So I am so thankful and grateful to God for what He has done in my life. Even sweating, like when I do this and I sweat, I know that I have really worked. I have really worked. So this is my routine. I decided to add this one because this is what I would do on my routine. So every time I am coming to do my physical exercises, my push-ups, my press-ups, my planks, this is my kind of routine that I do. It is okay to follow other people, and as I told you, you have to follow your own routine because we are all different, and you do what you are comfortable doing. So you don't have to stress your body or to work out your body until you feel pain. No, 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 no. In fact, my physical therapist told me, if you are working out and you have pain, please don't work out if you have pain. So you need to do physical therapy that will not cause you pain, right? Sometimes, you think, oh, how come I'm not feeling pain? But I tell you, physical therapy is slow but sure. You are being given a list, and then you are told to do this thing like towel curls. You do them like 3 times a day, 30 seconds, hold for 30 seconds, repeat 20 sets, slow but sure. One of my videos is talking about physiotherapist recommendation. So this one was just for my neck and my shoulders and my hand. So I haven't learned this from anyone, but that's why I'm talking about my own routine that makes me feel comfortable. Stretching my arms, my shoulders. So as I was telling you, like when I really work my back well, I don't have a problem doing any kind of exercises. My back becomes flexible to hold me. Maybe I would have sat in a different position. But this is just exercises. This is my routine. I do 10, both sides. So once I do that, this is the one I was telling you. This one comes very easily, and I don't even need anybody to hold my feet. I can do 10 times of this without struggling once my back has been exercised properly. I'm yet to remember its name. I think I have forgotten its name. Maybe it is called a push-up, I don't know. So I'm done. Bye bye. See you next time.